Go to the AFC.
I don't know what to do.
Exercise?
This is what happens when you have coffee at like 9 p.m.
Oh, you got it for dinner?
Yeah, I did. There's no hot chocolate left, so it was right there. And
Yeah, but you have hot chocolate in your goddamn room.
no, it's Ovaltine. That's different.
Why?
Oh God. Ovaltine makes you warm inside.
That's so creepy.
Oh, I'm sure.
Masochist.
I have a confession. I'm a masochist.
You're so fucking hyper, it's scary.
I bet Cassie's sleeping and she's like, man, shut up.
Probably.
Ooh. I bet this is what ADD kids feel like every day. Oh God.
Probably.
I bet the one that's taking tests, they're like,
And then you give them Ritalin to help them focus,
Oh, yeah.
and then it makes it worse.
and then they're like dead.
Yeah. Because they overdose, because they're stupid. And then they fall over dead. You should go get your Ovaltine.
More Ovaltine, please. Actually, I'm gonna have tea because I don't have any milk.
Just go buy some from Runk.
No.
Why? What? You're the one that's obsessed with it.
This is what college kids drink, okay? When you're in college, you little freaking baby, you'll start drinking this, and then you'll know that you're a real woman. Because you know why? It's rich chocolate, excellent source of vitamin E and iron.